Barbell members, I am standing in our new fitness studio. I know I speak for our entire fitness team when I tell you how excited we are to see this space take shape. We look forward to all of our exciting new programs that we will get to offer this season. And now for our weekly construction update. Wallpaper and the tile backsplash is being installed in the men's and ladies' restrooms. The chef's office and kitchen storage room has been drywalled. Millwork is being installed in the men's massage room and Jenny's office. The new energy-efficient chiller was installed by a crane on Thursday. Framing continues in the fitness studio and the cardio room. Framing is complete in the bar, making it ready for door and drywall installation. This project is on time and on budget. We will continue to keep you posted on all of our progress. As a reminder, please log into our website to view our live cameras.